Hello guys, today we're going to be making mac and cheese. We're going to need 2 cloves of garlic, chopped onion, half a cup of Monterey Jack cheese, half a cup of cheddar cheese, 1/4 of parmesan cheese, flour, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, a cup and a half of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, and you can use macaroni or shells. I decided to use shells, as you can see. Next step is you're going to put water in a pot, and you are going to add some olive oil, and you're also going to add some salt to your liking. I add approximately a tablespoon. Your pasta should be done in about 10 to 12 minutes. Now that your pasta is done, you're going to set it aside to cool. Next, you're going to add your tablespoon of butter into a pan, and you're just going to let it melt. Once melted, you can add your garlic and your diced onions and just let them cook for a little bit. Then you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of flour and just add them little by little so that way the flour will cook fully. As you can see, I have now incorporated all the flour and I added a little more butter, and now I'm going to add the milk and we're going to let that incorporate well. You don't want any clumps or anything, so you want to make sure to mix it well. While you're letting it simmer, add your cayenne pepper. This you can add as much as you like and you can handle. I really like spicy stuff, so I added quite a bit. This is where I like to add my spices. After the cayenne pepper, I will be adding pepper and salt. And you can put as much as you want. Be a little more generous with the salt so that way it's not bland or too salty. Once all your spices are in there, make sure to incorporate it very well and mix it so that way you don't have any clumps or anything. Then we're going to start adding our cheeses. We're starting with cheddar first. Just emptying it all in there. You can play around with the cheeses. Cheddar is obviously like the most commonly used when making mac and cheese, but you could also use other cheeses or substitute the cheeses I used, or you could even add more cheese if you'd like. But definitely don't add too much parmesan because parmesan has a very strong flavor. Next, you are going to add your Monterey Jack cheese. Make sure to incorporate everything well and make sure to not have any lumps. And we'll keep mixing until the cheese is completely melted. Once it's all melted, you are going to add your cooked pasta and make sure to incorporate that well as well, so that way it gets into every crevice of the pasta. And this is very satisfying to see, not gonna lie. You can see how ooey gooey and delicious it is. Once fully incorporated, you have your mac and cheese ready to serve. And you can serve this dish with anything. You can leave it by itself. It's a really good dish by itself. In this case, I am accompanying it with some grilled chicken that we made yesterday. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video.